I'm going to show you how to create 3 months of SEO optimized content in just 3 minutes, maybe less. We're talking full articles with photos, videos, internal links, along with the deep web citation feature to make sure your content is accurate and up to date, all done in just one click. Let's get to it. Click the link in the description for a special 25% discount off SEOWriting.ai. You can also use the coupon code AISEO25 at checkout. Google's March 2024 update targeted AI content, making high quality, fresh, and human written content more important than ever. SEOWriting.ai just had a huge update to counter this Google update, making it easier than ever to stay ahead of the SEO game. Here's how to take advantage and create 3 months of content in just 3 minutes. Click the one-click blog post and enter your main keyword. After you put your keyword, you can generate a title. After you enter in your keyword and your title, you can go down here to the settings. You can choose a language, do your article size, so you can do extra small, small, medium, or large. So I'm gonna go with medium, and it estimates 2,400 to 3,600 words. You can choose a tone of voice. You can choose between friendly, professional, inspirational, witty. So I'm gonna choose casual here. And then you can choose which AI model you want to use. And as you can see here, it has a little model quality light here next to each one. So I'm going to choose GPT-4o, the last model. You can select a point of view. So I'm going to do second person because typically that's how you want to write your web content. The target country is going to be the United States. And then here you have this humanized text. So you can choose how you want the text to be written, and it passes AI detection. So the recommended one is 8th to 9th grade, and it's easily understood. You typically want to stay in the 5th to 9th grade area when it comes to your website content. But if you have something that's a little more difficult, a little more advanced, then you can choose one of these other ones. But I would still recommend going with the 8th to 9th grade so it's easily understood. You can include any kind of details you want. So if you want to put a phone number for a call to action, if you have a local site, then this is a great place to put that. Then we'll go down here to the media hub. And this is one of my favorite things here because I can have it include AI images. I can select how many images I want. So I'm going to do 5. I can select the image style. So I'm going to do photo. And then I can select the sizes of the images. So I want these to be a little bit smaller for my web page. I can also have it include YouTube videos. And I'm going to select 3 videos. And then I can do a layout option for it to alternate image and video. It can do first images and then videos, or first videos, then images. So I'm just going to have it alternate with images and videos. I can check this box here if I want all of the media elements placed right under the headings, but I'll just let AI decide and find the best placement. So I'm going to leave this unchecked. Then we get here to this SEO section, and you can put keywords to include in the text. So you can do your own keyword research and insert those here, or you can click this button and it'll generate some NLP keywords for you. So these look pretty good. These match really good with my topic, so I'm just gonna leave those. So I can set the structure here and how it'll be introduced. So I can do a question, a statistic or a fact, a quote, an anecdote or story, or something that's personal or emotional. So I'm going to start it with a statistic or a fact, and then it writes it in here. And then here is where I can also influence the structure of my article. So yes, I want a conclusion. Yes, I want it to include tables, H3s, lists, italics, quotes, key takeaways, a FAQ section, And then do I want words that are bolded? So I'm going to leave all of these as yes, and I would recommend you do the same. Then I can have this article automatically add internal links by adding my WordPress site. So here I have my WordPress site inserted here already, and I can put how many links I want it to include. So I'm going to do 3 to 4 since this is somewhat of a longer article. I can choose my placement. I can have them at the top, evenly throughout, or at the bottom. So you should do evenly throughout. Contextual enrichment, yes. And then we can add link attributes, like if we want it to be do follow or no follow. You can leave it as do follow because all of these links are going to be within your site. Then we have external linking here, where it'll add authoritative and relevant links to the content. So I'm going to say automatic, and then I can have it place how many links I want. So I'm going to say 3 to 4 again, evenly throughout, contextual enrichment. And then I can say if I want these links to be do follow or no follow. Since we're linking to a lot of authoritative sites, we can leave these as no follow. And here I can put the access to the web. So this is one of the good features here. This is the deep web citation feature. And so this will connect to the web, and it'll actually do research and give you citations for the data that's within the article. So you can do basic web or you can do deep web. So I would recommend doing the deep web because it's going to analyze hundreds of articles and statistical data for factually accurate articles. And this is really what you want, especially since we just had that last Google update. So here I can have, if I want citations at the end of each sentence that contains some factual data. So I would say, yes, this is good. And I'll show you how it does it. It looks really clean. And then you can also add if you want source links or not at the bottom of the article. So I'm going to put the URL. You can also put the link name, the URL, and the link name. But I think it's good just to have the URL at the bottom. And then I can do real-time search. So it'll also search the web to make sure everything is factual and complete. I can enable the outline editor if I want, and then I can add in my own headings or information. So this is basically like making a content brief, but it makes it really easy. It's a drag and drop system, but I'm not going to do that here. We're just going to go ahead and let the AI take care of everything because this is supposed to be quick and save us time. And then I can put my WordPress site here and I can publish it directly to WordPress. So I have my website here and I have my categories, so I can mark which category I want it to go in. So I'm going to go with accessories. So I can select post status here. I can have it publish automatically, save it as a draft, or schedule it to post. So let's say I want to schedule it to post, and then I could put whatever time I want it to post. So I'm just going to put a minute from now. You can also have it generate tags if you want. So I'm just going to leave this checked so it'll automatically generate tags. And then the URL can be based on the title or the main keyword. You can also have it add the first image as the featured image, and you can have it add a meta description to the excerpt field. So after all that's done, just click run. After you click run, the article writes pretty quick, but I'm going to take you into my WordPress site real quick so you can see the plugin. So all you have to do is just go into the plugins like you usually do and install the SEO-Writing.ai plugin. Then you go to settings and it'll give you a place where you can connect it. And then if you want, you can also mess with these settings. So I have it so it'll do JSON, LD, structured data. So I'll just save these changes here. And then when I go to my posts, and here we can see that the article actually published itself here. So I'm going to click into that just so you can see. So we have an AI image here. And then here we have a nice article. So it has a good introduction. Here we have the bolded word. It also has key takeaways here at the top, just in case people don't really want to read the entire article. It just gives them a quick overview. And then we have some good nested headings here with some good information. And I'm just going to scroll through here so you can see the quality of this article. We have our first YouTube video here. We have a numbered list, and it also includes some brands here, so it found these online. We have some more good nested headings with good information. We have a nice little AI generated image here. And then as we continue, you see we also have more brands. And then here at the end of this sentence, you can see one of the citations. So I really like how it does this. It just puts a number on it, which doesn't become overwhelming when you're trying to use a lot of external links. It just looks really clean to have it cited here at the end of the sentence. So we're going to continue. We have another YouTube video. We have some good brands here listed. And again, it's finding all of these brands online as it searches. So I really like that. It just makes it more factual, more credible. We have another nice AI generated image here. And I'm just going to continue to scroll. Here's something that's in italics. And it's not overusing the italics or the bold, which I really like. We have another YouTube video here. Here's another bolded words. And again, these headings are properly nested. Nice little image here. And then it even gives some tips, which I really like because this just makes the article more credible. And this also makes it lean into that helpful content because this actually can help someone learn how to clean their organic jewelry. We have another picture. And I'm just going to continue scrolling here. You can see that this is a pretty long article, and every time it mentions some data, it includes a citation there at the end of the sentence. Then here we have a nice table that really stands out from the page, and it breaks up the text. It makes it easy for someone that's just skimming through the article to see what's important here. So I really like including tables, bulleted lists, numbered lists in my content. And then here we have the conclusion. We have a FAQ section, and these are some good FAQs, also properly nested. And then I'll scroll down here at the bottom. We have our source links. So I like to link all of my sources like this. I just think it's good to have a list at the end, so that way they're not taking too much of your link authority or your link juice. And it also shows Google that this article was well researched and includes the sources from the research. So this is a great looking article. And I think this is one of the best AI software I've seen that I would honestly just let post straight to my site. Now I'm going to show you how you could create 3 months worth of these articles in just a few minutes with the bulk article generation tool. So once we're on the bulk article generation page, you can easily just import your spreadsheet from Excel, and it's easy to set up. All you have to do is put a main keyword and a title as your columns. You can also put a third keyword column if you want, but that's optional. And then you can also generate NLP. You can generate titles or keywords here. So we're going to do exactly what we did before: article size, tone of voice, AI model. And I'm going to scroll down here to the bottom so you can see that you can schedule these posts at whatever frequency you want. So I can have it start posting today, and then I can have it do 1 post per day. So I'm going to set that as the range. Then I just scroll back here to the top and click run. Then just that easily, as it generates these articles, it's going to put them on my site, and then it's going to start posting them. So that took about 3 minutes. I would even say it might have took less than 3 minutes. Now I'm in the back end of my WordPress site, and you can see it started scheduling these posts. Just that easy. So it's going to schedule a post for every day. So with 100 articles, I'm going to have just over 3 months worth of posts, since these are posting every single day. Just that quick, just that easily. And there we go. In just 3 minutes, actually less, we've created 3 months of high quality SEO optimized content that's ready to go and post to our site automatically. Imagine dedicating just 5 minutes each quarter to this process, and you'll stay ahead of the SEO game easily. Make sure you save time on your content creation with the best AI writer I've seen so far, and stay ahead of Google's updates with SEOWriting.ai. Enter the special 25% discount coupon code AISEO25 at checkout, or you can easily just click the link in the description. Improve your site's content and rankings fast with SEO Writing AI.